Hi everyone! Today's video is a guide on how to install an SSL certificate on CompleteFTP. We'll begin by generating a CSR or certificate signing request and a private key using the SSL Dragon CSR generator tool. It's crucial to securely save your private key and then submit the CSR to SSL Dragon to obtain your CRT or certificate. Remember to use your domain name, such as yourdomain.com, for the common name, and your contact email, like info@yourdomain.com, in the email address field. Follow the steps shown in the video for clarity. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into respective .csr and .key files. Submit these to SSL Dragon, who will then issue your CRT. Begin by clicking on Sites, and then select Server Certificate under the security settings. Choose Import a certificate from a file. Then, using the File Manager, select the certificate file and enter the password as demonstrated in the video. Click the OK button to proceed. Verify the details of the uploaded certificate in the dialog box that appears. Note, if the changes do not appear immediately, you may need to restart the service. To do this, go to Control Panel, Administrative Tools, Services. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget, you can save 10% on any SSL certificate order at SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 during checkout.